For this recipe, lentil soup, I'll be using one diced onion and my leftover lime, lemon and ginger mixture that I had left from my drink that I made before, and I'll put a link on the description on how I made the drink. And then I've got 2 diced carrots, 2 sliced celeries, and 2 cans of green lentil. And then I'll be using thyme as one of the herbs, and oregano and black pepper, and I've used 2 vegetable stocks which I've put in water, boiled water, and then I will also be adding salt. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Veg for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I will be adding some tomato sauce and the herbs that I've shown you, black pepper, thyme and oregano.